Hi everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BTC News Trader. But before we get started, I'd like you to take a look at the little red button below where it says subscribe. If you like what we have to say, then please subscribe. You could always unsubscribe. If you don't want to do that, you can just continue listening to what we have to say. That's perfectly fine. Okay, let's move forward. BTC News Trader. If you have any doubts, if you're not sure, you should just know that it is a scam, and it's a huge scam, and it's being perpetrated by one of the biggest affiliate networks, which is operating online today. Okay, this is no joke, guys. This is the real thing. This is like a very big scam, and it's a clone of the previous Bitcoin trader software. If you guys have been listening to our reviews or checking up on our YouTube videos, then you should know that Bitcoin Trader is one of the biggest scams, which is trading online today. And we're gonna explain exactly why it's a clone and how this thing works. Okay, so let's see how this thing starts.
It's very easy to buy Bitcoin, and it's not going to be affected by it.
Bitcoin is exciting because it shows how cheap it can be.
There's a big industry around Bitcoin, and people have made fortunes out of Bitcoin.
Okay, you saw that. There's a big industry around Bitcoin, and people have made tons of money from Bitcoin. Okay, now let's move on to something else. Look at this right here, this little form. Okay.
Thanks, no fees, no inflation. These are the potential perks of this thing called Bitcoin. But is Bitcoin really the money of the future? Bitcoin. All the rage, but what the hell is it?
Bitcoin is better than currency.
There's a big industry around Bitcoin, and people have made fortunes out of Bitcoin.
Again, fortunes. Okay, look at this form. Okay, look at this setup right here. Okay, right? And let's go back and look at this form right here. It's identical, and the reason why it's identical is because it's being powered by the same software, and the people behind it are the same people. They're up to their old tricks again. Okay, and this time they're calling it the BTC News Trader. All right, now let's go to the review. Okay, here's the review, and as we mentioned before, it's exactly the same thing. Let's take a look at this right here. So as we mentioned, these are identical. Okay, you have the same exclusive offer, the same setup you see here, secure offer / secure rich / they're using the same footage. You can see that it's the same form. The text is a little bit different. Start changing your life today and change your life today. The 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and everything is the same. Okay, so that's that. And we were linked, our account was linked to a broker named ufx.com. When these guys, they have a license in Vanuatu, which means they don't have a license. I mean, there's not much more that can be said about this. This setup here is exactly the same setup that you have with Bitcoin Trader. And of course, the final nail in the coffin, testimonials are totally fake. These pictures were just ripped off of the internet and used without permission, and that's that. I mean, how does it work? They say that, well, that's the sales pitch. They say that the software picks up news from the internet, and then it gathers it and classifies it as positive or negative, and then presents the signals in the appropriate manner. In reality, you're being set up. I mean, this thing is a hoax, and it's just like all the rest. It's a worthless piece of crap, and we pretty much guarantee that if you decide to test the waters and sign up for the software, you're going to have your money stolen by unlicensed offshore brokers. These guys, the software is bogus. This thing is a hoax. Stay away. Okay? If you have any questions, just message us by leaving a message below. Thank you and have a nice day.